Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying power capacity and physical fit. This avoids damage. Check the GPU label for required connectors and TDP, then confirm your PSU has matching PCIe cables. Once done, shut down the system, unplug the mains, and ground yourself with a wrist strap or touch the case. Static kills components. Make sure the case is open and the GPU is seated partway in the PCIe slot so you can align connectors. Now position the cables so they'll reach without stretching. Next, route the correct PCIe cable from the PSU to the GPU, keeping bends gentle to protect wires. Insert each connector until the latch clicks and you see no exposed metal pins. Partial seating causes arcing. If using a modular PSU, plug into the labeled PCIe port on the unit. Do not use multiple splitters from one peripheral cable unless rated. Once both ends are secured, tidy cables with a tie so airflow remains unobstructed and connectors stay under no stress. Finally, reconnect mains and power on while watching for GPU fans and post indicators. A spinning fan and BIOS detection mean success. Once booted, confirm stable voltages in BIOS or with monitoring software and run a short stress test to verify stability. If the GPU does not power, shut down immediately and recheck seating and connectors, swap to another PCIe cable or PSU header, and test again. A key troubleshooting tip: if symptoms persist, try a known good PSU to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.